open door, then you go and slam it on me. I can't take anymore. I'm saying, baby, please have mercy on me and take it easy on my heart. Even though you don't mean to hurt me, you keep tearing me apart. Would you please